Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your desktop into a real-time Minecraft. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, this is Sakes Infotech where we simplify tech for you. Please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to turn your desktop into a Minecraft, we are first going to download Lively Wallpaper from the Microsoft Store, okay? So to do that, I'm going to click on the Microsoft Store. Then I'll type Lively. At a search, I'm going to type Lively Wallpaper, okay? So I'm going to click on this. And then I'll click on Install. So it's getting ready to install the Lively Wallpaper onto our machine, okay? Okay, so now it's finished installing. So I'm going to close the Microsoft Store. And then we are going to download the real-time Minecraft world scene, okay? So to do that, I'm going to open my browser. I'm going with Chrome. Then I'll type https :/www.desktop. Okay, so this is the URL we are going to use to download the real-time Minecraft world scene. Okay, I'll be leaving the URL at the description below. Okay, then I'll press on the enter key from the keyboard. Okay, so this is the Minecraft scene you can download. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to download this scene. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Then I'll scroll down, and then here you can download for desktop and then mobile phone. Okay, but I'm going to download for desktop. Okay, so you can see from here it's downloading. So now it's finished downloading, so I'm going to close the browser. Then I'm going to open the Lively Wallpaper. Okay, so it's opening. Okay, so now we are going to add the real-time Minecraft world scene into the Lively Wallpaper. So to do that, I'm going to click on the plus sign. Then I'll click on choose a file. So I'm going to click on the download. Then I'll click on the Lively. Then I'll click on the real-time Minecraft scene we downloaded. Okay, then I'll click on open. Then I'll click on OK. So you see, immediately it has changed my desktop into a real-time Minecraft world scene. Okay, you see the dog passing soon. So you see the dog passing. So let me go back to the Lively Wallpaper. So if you click on the three dots, you can customize it by clicking on the three dots, and then you go to customize. So here you can change your saturation, you can change your hue, your brightness, your contrast, your gamma, your speed. So I'm going to change my speed a bit. Then I'll click on OK. So let me minimize the Lively Wallpaper. So you see, I've changed the speed. Okay. So after you've turned your desktop into the real-time Minecraft desktop and you want to go back to your original desktop, you click on the Lively Wallpaper and then you click on the three dots and then you click delete. So I'm going to click on yes. Then I'll close the Lively Wallpaper. I'll click on OK. So now you see we've reverted to the old desktop. Okay, so this is how to turn your desktop into a Minecraft and then revert if you don't want it. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.